Hi guys, my name is Anon. Today I'm going to show you a fidget toy which is called a puppet. Here it is, a puppet. You just pop these. Yeah, this is called a puppet, or you can call it a fidget toy. And you can pop on the other side as well. This is an Among Us puppet, and you can get one on Amazon. It's not free. It's just like £4 or £5. Isn't it cool, guys? No. I just brought this up somewhere else, so that's why I'm telling you Amazon. Search in the internet. I meant in Safari app. Just search Amazon. Press the first link and then search like fidget toy, or you can say puppet. You can search that. Isn't it cool? Sometimes people call it puppet, or they sometimes call it puppet or fidget toy. So yeah, that's it.